Hello everybody and welcome to this new video of mine. My name is Christoph Rumpel and today I want to show you my Twitter notification package. So earlier today I have released a new version of this package and I thought it's a good idea to share this video with you to show you what you can do with this package and how it's done. So first, this is about Laravel notifications, so you don't know too much about it. You can check out the documentations for it at the Laravel documentation notification site. And yeah, here you can see and find everything you need to know about them. Basically, notifications are just some kind of information that you want to send out to your users. And we have different channels here supported for sending those information out via mail. You can save it to the database, you can broadcast it, send it via SMS or in your Slack channel. But this is not all. Next to these supported channels, there's a project called Laravel Notification Channels. And it's a project by Freek van der Herten, Marcel Pozio, and Mohamed Said. And yeah, they have, with a bunch of other people together, created more channels that you can use. So here are about 25 of them. And yeah, one of them is mine here, the Twitter package. So we can check that out here. So with this package, you're able to send out Laravel notifications through a Twitter status update or a Twitter direct message. And in this video, I want to show you how that's done. Alright, so let's dive right in and let's go through the steps we need to take here. First, we need to install this package. What I have already got is a fresh Laravel application here, 5.7, and I've nothing done with it yet. So let's go in there and just install this package. As you can see here, it's already pulling the new version 2.0. Okay, perfect. So what's next? Let's see. Okay, then we need a Twitter application, and if you follow this link, you can create one for your account. And this is important because we need to get those keys and tokens, and you only get them if you have a Twitter application. And then we need to copy this to the service file in the config folder. So this is a typical place to load these kind of informations to your application. And next, we also have to provide them inside our environment file. So let's go there as well. And here I have one for a test account of mine. Okay, let's move on. So in order to use this package, we need a Laravel notification class. So again, you can check out Laravel documentation for how that's done, but actually it's quite simple. We can do that with an artisan command. PHP artisan make notification, and yeah, let's call it just test notification for this demo purpose. Alright, so what do we have now? Inside our app, we have now a new folder, notifications folder, and here our test notification class. So here we can define what our notifications look like and where we want to send them. So you can see by default Laravel wants to run the mail channel, and here for you have the mail method. Okay, but that's not what we want to do today. So what do we have here? So first we're saying we want to use the Twitter channel. Okay, let's copy that in here. Let's return that and import the Twitter channel class. And then we also need to define what we want to send through this notification. So where do we put this? Let's put it here. And let's import this class. So inside this class, we're now returning a new Twitter status update with the string we want to send. So what this does, it adds a new message to your Twitter timeline. Okay, so can we try that out already? I think we can. So anything else here? No, I think we're ready. The only thing now we need to do is we need to trigger this notification. And there are several ways you can do that. What I prefer for this demo purpose is to just go to the main routes file, and inside here I'm just triggering this notification. So normally you would do something like this. Call your notifiable class, which is in most cases just the user model. And to all of them, we want to call the notify method on. And inside there, we're providing our test notification class. Since we don't have the database set up yet and we don't have a user, we can do something else. And we can use the notification facade for that. So this is kind of on-the-fly notification sending. So on the facade, we call the route method, and here we define the channel where we want to send to this notification, and then we define this test notification again. Okay, let's sum this up. When we visit our main route here of our application, we're going to trigger this test notification. Here we're going to say we want to send out a notification via the Twitter channel, and here's our status update. And this underline here is only because we didn't fetch an exception that could be thrown. All right, so let's go to our site and let's just refresh it. Let's see if it works. Okay, this looks good, no errors. Here I have my test account. So let's refresh that. And yeah, here we have our new status update. Laravel notifications are awesome. So this worked. Perfect. Okay, what else can we do with this package? There's also this with image method where we can add images to the status update. So let's try that as well. So inside here, I want to add this method with image, and I'm going to use an image called author.jpg. So what is wrong here? I see. Need to add that as well. Okay, this looks better. Okay, now I need to add this image. So here I have it. It's this one. Yeah, as you can see, I'm now playing a lot of Red Dead Redemption 2, and this is my character there, Arthur Morgan. So let's give him some minutes of famous here in this package video. And okay, what else do we need? Okay, this looks good. Yeah, let's just try it out. Change the text here. I love Red Dead Redemption 2. And give it another try. This now takes a little bit longer because of the image. And now in here we should see the image as well. Yeah, we do. Perfect. By the way, I also got the same mustache as my character because this is why I shaved him like that. Okay, so what else do we got here? Of course, we can send multiple images like that. Then you need to pass the public path. But more interesting is the direct message. So you can send a notification to another user with the direct message. So this is not then public, so only the other person will see that. Okay, let's copy that here. Let's get back to our notification class, and inside here we are now returning the direct message object. And here we're defining a user we want to send this message to. Yeah, let's leave Marcel actually, and let's send him a little message. Oh, actually, then I can show you that it works. So, oh, sorry, Marcel. Let's do something different here. I'm going to send it to myself. Christoph Rumpel, that's my screen name in Twitter, and I'm also changing the text to "Hey you." Let's keep it simple. Okay, I think that's it. Let's try that out as well. No error, so white page is fine here. And inside here, I have already opened my conversation with Timothy Lee. And here you can see that I got the message here 5 seconds ago. So this is also working. Perfect. And yeah, that's quite nice. Something to mention is that you could also provide the actual ID of the user as an integer. And this way you would save an actually request, because if you provide the screen name, like here, then I need to look up the user and get the ID, and then I can send a direct message. So this is another thing that's quite good to know. And yeah, one more thing I want to mention. In some cases, you maybe want to change the Twitter account from which you want to send stuff. And in Laravel, we have the route notification form method that you can use with every channel. And you just have to put in then the channel name as the last word here. And so for the Twitter channel, we can change the consumer keys and the access tokens here. And this can be done on the fly inside your notifiable model. So maybe inside your user model, you can add that, and this will override the settings from your environment file. So this is a good way if you have, for example, different accounts for different regions, then you can do it like that, and this way, yeah, handle multiple Twitter accounts as well. Okay, this was it from this video. I hope I could show you how you can use this package, and I think it's quite easy to use. It also isn't that big, this package, but yeah, people like it and I like it as well. So have fun, stay tuned, thank you, and have a nice day.